Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a little self-care little evening routine. It is Sunday. I've been sitting on the couch all day. I woke up this morning, laid in bed for a bit, then I made breakfast, like a big breakfast for me and babe. I was like craving pancakes. I made pancakes and bacon and eggs and all of that. Then we sat on the couch, we watched a couple shows together, and then I took a nap, and I've just been on my phone. So this is kind of like my first time really getting up. So I'm gonna just start off by just straightening up a little bit around here. I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna get some steps in just to walk, just to move, something. I'm gonna hit up Whole Foods and Target just because I need to pick up a few things from there. Start on the hair, make some dinner, and then wind down. It's October and it's supposed to be, getting chilly, getting cold. And no, it's still 90s out here. I'm ready for the fall weather. I wanna be cold on the couch watching Halloween movies. Kitchen is done. Should be perfect for when I get back and when I'm ready to cook. I ain't gotta worry about cleaning. Now I'm getting ready to go downstairs. I think I'll probably just walk like 2 miles maybe. I was also thinking about taking a Peloton class. Do I want to? It's crazy how dry my skin is out here in Houston. I was thinking because it's so humid, my skin would just be nice and moisturized, but it is not. What time is it? All right, it's already pretty late, and I do still need to get to Whole Foods before it closes. Now, I will say, if you saw my last video, which was like my wash day routine, I use the Sacred hair care products, and this is the longest my wash and go has ever lasted. She's a little beat up now, but this is the longest it's lasted, ever. All right, time to shower, get clean, and then make dinner. I'm starving, so I'm gonna make this quick. I'm actually not gonna do like my flexi rods and stuff tonight. I'm gonna do them tomorrow, but I am still gonna wash my hair. So it's very different than when I'm doing like a wash and go. If I do a wash and go, then I need to put my products in immediately. With my flexi rods, my hair doesn't have to be soaking wet, but I will like lightly wet it tomorrow. Okay, so I am going to put my hair products in, and then I'm actually gonna put on a face mask too, because I haven't put on a face mask in a while. So, microfiber towel. So, I'm just gonna do the Sacred oil and sealing lotion, and then tomorrow I'll do the mousse when I actually style my hair. This is so good. So while the food is cooking, I just did a quick skincare. All I did was put some toner, essence, and then moisturizer in a little oil. Looks moisturized. So I had the walk yesterday with, you know, my Houston girls. And then Maria, I know she here on YouTube. What's up, Maria girl? She brought me flowers for my birthday. My birthday's in a few days, and then she wrote me a really nice card. So I had just popped them in this vase and put some water in there, but I'm actually going to cut them and then put the food and all of the flower food and some ice cubes and stuff in there. So let's go ahead and, oh, they're so pretty. So I've never done this before, so don't come for me, but how pretty is this? Oh my gosh, I love it. Love, love. Make sure they're not like too close to the candle. I don't want it to like warm it up. Food sit for a little bit, just because if you make these potatoes, they have to sit. Like, don't serve them the moment they come out of the oven, because the Parmesan is still a little bit soft, but if you let it cool for a second, it'll like harden up. But I'm gonna make a little mocktail here. I got some tart cherry juice, and then I got 2 poppies. I'm gonna mix the ginger lime and the cherry limeade, so I'm gonna make me and babe both one. Literally every item on this plate has Parmesan in it. So this is a Parmesan meal. So good. Make sure to put the recipe down below for this full meal. Just make sure everything is seasoned. All right, it's time to eat. It's time to eat. Baby, time to eat.